Hello friends, today's topic 7 stocks that are likely to go up in 2024. Goldman Sachs Report. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is service to society. Goldman Sachs, one of the world's largest investment banks, has made its prediction for 2024. Goldman Sachs sets Nifty 2024 target at 21,800. So as per current Nifty levels of around 19,800, it is an appreciation of 10%. Since 2024 is an election year, Goldman Sachs expects volatility and uncertainty. Also, global stock markets will depend on how Federal Reserve and other central banks cut interest rates, which are currently high all over the world, to control inflation. It believes that the large cap stocks are likely to do well in 2024. Now, top picks of Goldman Sachs for 2024. Number 1, HDFC Bank, last 1 year returns minus 6%. 2, Kotak Mahindra Bank, last 1 year minus 11% returns. 3, Godrej Consumer Products, last 1 year returns 17% plus. 4, Dabur India, last 1 year returns minus 2%. 5, Pidilite Industries, last 1 year returns minus 7%. 6, ICICI Bank, last 1 year returns minus 2%. 7, Marico, last 1 year returns plus 8%. Here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Topic: how to create profit from stock markets, happening on Sunday 26 November 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Cost of the webinar is 499. However, the good news is for the first 75 participants it is absolutely free. However, the seating capacity is only 150 on first come first serve basis. And you know, when Dr. Bharath webinars are going on, especially in Canada, and then large number of people come and somewhere around 150 to 500 people apply, and it is all on first come first serve basis. Dr. Bharath graduates did not attend. You may be curious what will be taught in this webinar. The first thing is how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term, because large number of people are unaware and having misconceptions that in stock market you always make a loss. However, you did not make a loss, you can make a profit, and we will show how in the past it has been profitable and how to calculate and guess what could be the profits in the future. And basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you will invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years according to your age and your earning capacity, and you will invest somewhere around 3, 5, 10, 15,000, and at the end you will get not in lakhs but in crores, and your retirement corpus, children education and marriage can be completely offset. Basic technical analysis, by learning which you can earn few thousands extra in a month, and that is apart from your salary, and that can offset your expenditure and also improve your lifestyle. For example, next month you can buy a new mobile. Maybe after that you'll go for a picnic with the family. Maybe you'll buy the clothes for the whole family, etc. etc. Now you may be wondering how to register for the webinar. Very simple. Send a WhatsApp message to 9900000046 with your name, email ID, and type stock market webinar for us to understand that you're looking for the link. Once the link comes, please attend it without fail. Whoever attended our workshops in the past are repentant that they should have taken the workshop long back, because investment journey starts. So we are hoping that you are coming on Sunday and taking the benefit. Now, continuing the matter of the video, as you may have observed in the table, these stocks underperform the markets. However, they are fundamentally strong companies which are good business. Good performance in the business has to reflect in the stock price in the long term. On the other hand, if a stock of a weak business is rallying a lot, it will have to correct to reflect the actual position of the business. So don't get carried. If a fundamentally weak company stock is rocketing ahead, you may buy it and get stuck when it corrects in the future. Now Common mistakes with investors. Number one, sell a good stock even when fundamentals are improving because the stock is not performing well. Two, buy a weak stock even when fundamentals are bad just because the stock is doing well. Our mind plays a lot of tricks with us due to greed and fear. This is why investing seems to be easy, but only some people make good profits. Majority either make a loss or they perform in a mediocre way. To be successful, you need to have a high emotional quotient and not high intelligent quotient. End of the video, here is a question. Have you bought a fundamentally weak stock because it was rallying a lot? If yes, type the name of the stock, otherwise type no. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.